Hey everyone. Today we'll be discussing the trim function. The trim function is an amazing function used to remove extra spaces at the beginning or at the end of a string. Let me give you a quick example. I was working on a project. I had to read project names from a CSV file, and these project names had extra spaces at the end. So it was crucial for me to remove these extra spaces before I could call another API. Okay, so I use trim function to remove these extra spaces at the end of the project names. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So let's try to create a new scenario. Okay, and let's name it POC trim function. Okay, so just double click here, Control A, Control V. So POC trim function, and then let's try to add a module. Let's say tools. So let's say set multiple variables. So let's add a variable and let's say var input string. Okay, so this is my project name. Okay, let's suppose that this is my input. Okay, the name project name. Okay, and let's add some spaces at the beginning, 1 2, and at the end, 1 2. Okay, so let's add it here. Okay, so this is my input, which has 4 spaces altogether at the beginning and at the end, so let's click on OK there. So let's save it first of all, and let's add another module. Let's add another module. Let's say tools. Okay, tools, and let's click there and set multiple variables, add item, and var output string. So yeah, this is where I would want to use the trim function. Trim, okay, just type trim and open the braces, and then you have to use this var input string, right? So this is what I'm trying to this is the input string, and this input string has extra spaces at the beginning and at the end of the string. Okay, so basically this is the format. Trim, open the curly braces, and you put your input string here and end the curly braces, I mean end the uh, normal braces, not curly braces. Okay, um, not normal braces. So click add and click OK. So that's it, and let's save it here, and let's try to run the scenario here. um, so this would be an amazing function. I mean, this is widely used in many scenarios. So I think this will be of great help for you if you have some empty if you want to trim out some empty spaces out of a string, you can use this. It's taking a bit of time, so let's wait for some time. Hopefully, let's see how it goes. Okay, let's stop, and ideally it should not take much time. um yeah, so just run it again. Okay, so here it is. So let's see the input first of all. So if you see the input message, you have two spaces at the beginning, 2 spaces at the end. Okay, now let's go to the output here, and if you see the output here, click on this output bundles. You can see we have actually trimmed out the empty spaces at the beginning and at the end, but we still have empty spaces in the middle of the string that won't be trimmed. Okay, so this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a nice day.